My mom does it every Sunday and I brought it especially for you. I'll start putting in a pan a little oil. Then I'll add half chopped onion and stir a little. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Now I will add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and I will stir again to sauté the garlic and onion. Do it at your house and then come back here and tell me what you think. Now I will put 500 grams of cooked and shredded chicken in the pan and then I will stir once more. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with chicken, I'd love to know. Next I will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chimichurri, a teaspoon of paprika, and I will stir again very well so that all the seasonings are well added to the chicken. Done this, I will add a chopped tomato in the pan and I will stir once more so that the tomato is mixed in the recipe. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. Finally, I will add 100 grams of heavy cream in our mixture and I will stir one last time. Look how amazing our recipe is getting. Once this is done, I will transfer the mixture of the pan to a container that can go to the oven and then add 200 grams of cottage cheese. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Betty Brannigan from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. My friends always ask me to teach how to do so amazing, that is the result. I will now add mozzarella to taste over our recipe, but this part is optional. You can put the amount you think best. I will put a lot because I love cheese. Has become one of my favorite recipes since I first tried it. To finish, I will put a little potato straw to taste. I recommend putting enough to cover our recipe. We'll give a special touch at the end. I do not stop making this recipe anymore. I always do it at least once a month. Finally, I will take to the oven in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. Is a perfect recipe. It's quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it at your home too. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.